Yo, what's happening, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. On this video, what we're going to be doing is fitting a lambda sensor to the Corolla. While we're fitting one, as you all remember, we put a stainless exhaust system on, and a week later, some bell end, if you're watching it, decided to come nick my catalytic converter. So what I had to end up doing is putting a straight through on, so now none of you can nick it, and yeah, you ain't got nothing to nick. But yeah, anyways, look, this is a straight pipe. So there's the straight pipe, style dynamics done. Can you see there's the wire that's been cut for the lambda? Right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to start it up, show you all how it sounds, and then we're going to show you all how to install this and taking all the interior parts out and everything. And yeah, little tutorial on how to change your lambda sensor if your cat ends up getting nicked. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't happen to you. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay charged for more content, yo. Cheers! We're going to start off in the interior because I believe the connector is down here somewhere and this needs a clean and that anyway. So yeah, let's start getting this stripped down, show you all how to strip it down, and then put it back together and everything, and then we'll deal with the underside after. Let's do this. Right, for the tools that you need to strip the center console out, and this that just pops out like that, is a ratchet, a 10mm, an extension for the 2 bolts there. That's going to loosen that up. So yeah, we'll do that now quickly, shall we? Yeah. See, that's just loosened that whole thing up. So now let's move on to just this side. Just gently unclip it. There you go. And that will literally pop up. Got some clips around there. Pretty sure it's clipped in there. And then what you got to do is unplug the cigarette lighter from behind there. One, two. Then turn that to the side, like so. Feed that through there, and that is out through there. And you've got one Phillips screw over here. There is one on the other side, but I've lost it and I need to find it. Right, once the screws and that are undone from there, literally lift it up from the back, and basically that should just slide out from there, as you can see. And yeah, put your foot on the brake maybe or something, or there you go. But that will literally maneuver out from there. That is filthy. That needs bloody clean. So yeah, let's show you the wire, shall we? And there we have it. This, after you finish messing around, unplugging it from there, you can probably lever that up, but yeah, there you go, identical. Happy days. And the wire goes down there, don't know if you can see, but yeah, we're going to need to kind of lift up the grommet or something and feed this plug through. Right, let's get underneath, give it the shove because it feels like that wire is attached to something, and we need to put the new lambda and stuff anyway. So yeah, let's just do it bit by bit, and then we'll put it all back together, and that rubber grommet will feed it through and everything onto the new sensor here, and hopefully the EML light will go off. Let's do this. Right, before we give it the shubber, have a quick cup of coffee and stay charged, yo. Cheers! What do you lot think of the mug as well? Left it in reverse. Now shubber, 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 shubber. Get enough shubber. Stick your axle stands underneath, and we're good. Jeez! Look at that 1010 weld. That style dynamics done. Right, this is that cable we need to basically pass through and then get that bung out of there. Let's do that now. Right, I've literally had to just give it a couple of taps so I could loosen that off. But yes, get this bung out and figure out. Oh, I think this is another rubber grommet down here. That's why the wire's not coming through. Gonna have to get this rubber grommet out too. I don't know why I gave it the shubber from the back when I need to give it the shubber from the front. Let's swap this around, shall we? Right, now we've got the jacks in a better place. We can see what's happening down here. Okay, we've got rubber off this side. Oh my god, it's got the same thingy going on here as up top. See, that's cool. We can get that off like that now and get that through, but we need to put all this back on. Right, once them rubber grommets are out your way, this should literally come up. Well, it's theoretically supposed to. This is very interesting. This ain't going to come out with that, so I think we're going to have to slice this grommet on both sides. There you go. Well, that's a bit of a cock up. I've basically undone this one and that one, but not that one. Oh god. Right, let's go put that back up there. So this one here was for the sensor back there. Now we need to look for another plug like this, which is potentially over there. Right. After messing around with that and plugging it back in, this I just see that kind of popped off, and would you look at that? There is the one that we bloody need, and it's right there. So don't undo that one. Don't make the mistake of undoing the back one like I just did. Undo the front one. That's why this video is here, so I hope it helps you all. And yeah, as we said before, that your cat doesn't get nicked. But yeah, if you need to change the lambda sensor anyway, that one is for the front one, and then the one what we wasn't supposed to disconnect was for the back one. Right, in order to get this tab out, push down there. That should basically release it, and boom, out from there. Right, get that out of there. First of all, screw the sensor into there, and then we'll feed the wire up. Tighten her up. Beautiful. Feed a wire up here, and then the grommet what we chopped up we shall put in there. Right, here is new sensor wire. Just plug it back into there, like so. Lovely. And there you go. Right, now that's all done, let's get this back in. Literally it's going to be in reversal as we took it out, so shouldn't be too difficult. Right, get that past there, just like that. Yeah, and that will literally slide into there, like that's not sitting correct at the moment there. That's the locator there. Yeah, and then put your 2 screws back in here. Put the ones back in here. Right, gonna wrap it up for this video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, what's the charge gurus icon, and stay tuned for some more content, because the next one what we're gonna do is we're gonna refurbish, show you how to refurbish these so you don't have to buy new headlights or anything. So that's going to be the next video, but other than that, like, share, comment, and stay charged, y'all. Cheers.